Okay, Bob Gustin here again, and we're on the final step of caliper reading. We've gone through 1 inch, 75, and it would be a wonderful world if everything would land on some version of 25, but guess what? It doesn't. So then we have to use this scale here. Now we come out, now always remember, you read where the zero has landed from this zero out. So you notice, first of all, we've come past the 1 inch mark, so I know that I'm at least 1 inch. Don't be ashamed to write this down. Write down 1.00 inches. Now we come out and we'll notice, okay, well, just how far over 1.00 inches? Well, you'll notice I'm between 1 inch and 1.1 inch. So I'm in this no man's land. So I come down here and I look and I see, okay, I'm 25, 50, 75. But whoops, my zero isn't exactly on the line. Well, I know I'm at least 75. I know I'm between 1.075 and 1.1 inches. So I can write down 0.075. Now, I'm going to look here at this scale. And this is where this becomes very, very important. Now, only one of these numbers is going to line up. Now, what you're not concerned with the number here, what you are concerned with is a line that lines up. So you look down here, well, 1 doesn't line up, 2, 3, 4, 4's getting closer, 5 looks really good. Then I go on the other side, and what you'll notice is the side that the line is off shifts. You've gone from being on the right side here to the left side on the opposite side of 5. That means your 5 is what you need to look at. Now this is 0.005. They omitted all the decimals out here. So I come down here, remember I've got 1 inch written down, I've got 0.075 written down, and I'm going to write down 0.005. Now all you have to do is add this mess up. Well, 75 plus 5 is 80. So I have a dimension here of 1 inch, 80 thousandths. And you can do this out as far as you want to go in using this line. Now remember, once you're in between that no man's land, do not concentrate on these numbers. These numbers are now lines. They're going to line up with your number down here, and the number on this sliding scale is the important number. And again, it's just a matter of adding. And that concludes this video.